Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see top 5 parameter related scenarios that are frequently asked in the Tableau developer or data analyst interviews. So let's start with the one by one scenarios. So our first scenario is top end customers with the help of parameters we want to create. So first I will take the customer name in the rows and then I will select sales. Okay, so now what the requirement is, we want to see top n customers with the help of parameters. So for that we will take this customer name into the filter with the help of control button, select top and should select by field, and then press on this top. In front of top there is the values like 10. If you want to see the top 10 customers, top 20 customers like sales wise, so you can do that as well. But now we want to take a top n parameter, so we will create a one parameter, that is select on the create parameter, name it as top n parameter. Okay, and the current value is 10, minimum range is 1 and maximum is 100. So if you want to change this minimum and maximum range of values, you can change as per your requirement. So currently I will make it remain same. So now let's click on the OK and click on show parameter. So as you can see, our top 10 values now showing in the customers, whatever our top 10 customers are there. So our parameter is shown that. So I will make it as type in parameter, so it is easy to use. Now if I want to see top 20, so we can see top 20 customers. If I want to see top 50, so we can see our top 50 customers. Likewise, you can change if you want to create visualization. So with the help of drag the cells, you can create visualizations as well, like bar or any other visualizations. Now if you want to take top 25, so you can see the top 25 customers. So this is the top end parameter. Now we will move to the our next scenario, that is dynamic average line. So the requirement is, suppose I have a subcategory and I have sales. Okay, and from the analytics pane I will add average line into the table. So now this average line is fixed, but I don't want to fix this average line. I want dynamic average line. Whatever value I will put into the parameter, so the average line should show me the average line of that value. So right click on this uh, average line and press edit. So in the edit, when you press on the edit button, the window is open. So in this window there is the one option like value. So click on this value option, and here is the one option that is create a new parameter. So click on the create new parameter, name it as dynamic average line. Okay, so I will put current value as 1 lakh, 1000, 1 lakh. Okay, so I will press OK and OK. So as you can see, our dynamic average line is created here. Now if I put 2 here, 2 lakh, so it will shows the 2 lakh. If I put 10,000, so it will shows 10,000. So this is the our dynamic average line. So as per our requirement, we can change this. Okay, so now I will make it as 2 lakh 50,000. So as you can see, our dynamic average line is changes as per requirement. Now we will move to the our next third scenario, that is find the sales between two dates. So to find the sales between two dates, we need two parameters. One is a start date and second is a end date. So let's create the parameter. Right click on the order date and here is one option, create and parameter. Okay. Now I will name it as a start date and press OK. No need to changes any. If you want to change, you can, but this is our date parameter, so no need to change. Directly click OK and duplicate this parameter, edit and change the name as end date. Okay. Other values remain same. Everything is remain same. Data type, current value, and press OK. So show these both parameters, start date and end date. So this parameter is shown here, start date and end date. I will make it as a type in parameters or a single value list parameter. No, I think this is the better. Then our these two parameters are here, start date and end date. Now we will take order date into the column and make it is continuous months. Okay, and now we will take our sales into the rows. So our line charts is created from 2020 to 2024. Okay, so now I want to check the sales between 3/1/2020 to 3/1/2021. So if I put 21 here, if I select 3/1/21 date, so there is no changes in the visualization because we need to connect these parameters to this visualization. So for that we need to write one calculation. I will name it as a start date and end date calculation. Okay, so for that you need to write one calculation, that is order date is greater than equal to start date and order date is less than equal to end date, our end date parameter, sorry. So now click OK and it will create a one boolean field. Drag this boolean field with the help of control into the filter shelf and select the true values and click on the OK. So now as you can see, I will show the labels. You see the sales between 3/1/2020 to 3/1/2021. Okay, so this is the our uh, scenario output through the start date and end date parameter. If you select 2022 date, so it will shows you, suppose I will select 11/5/2022, so it will select this sales till 3/1/2020 to 11/5/2022. So likewise you can create your dates parameters and see the sales between two dates. I hope you will like it. So then our fourth scenario is profit, loss and all scenario. So I will explain you this first scenario first. So in this scenario, actually the interviewer wants to see when I will show you first. So when I will click on the profit, so it will show me only the, you need to take subcategory wise profit. Okay. So when I click the profit button, it will show me the only profit values. When I click on the loss button, it will show me only the loss values. And when I click on the all button, so it will show me the both profit and loss values. So what will you do for this scenario? So for that we need to create one parameter first. So the parameter is profit loss. I will name it as profit loss. Data type is string because we want to create a list and add the values. So our first values is profit, then our second value is loss, and our third value is all. Okay, and click on the OK button and show the parameter. So now it is a profit, but in visualization it will show loss as well. But I don't want like that. If I select the profit, it will show me only the profit values subcategory wise, and when I select loss, it will shows me only the loss values subcategory wise, and when I select all, it will shows me the all values like profit and loss as well. So for that you need to write one calculation, that is a case statement. Okay, so case and our parameter. So what is our parameter? That is profit and loss. When there is a profit, then we need sum of profit is greater than 0. Okay, and when there is a loss, then we need sum of profit is less than 0, right? Because we want negative values. And the third one is when all, then sum of profit, sorry, sum of profit is greater than 0, or sum of profit is less than 0, and we will end this calculation. So what was the error? When all, then we will directly simply copy paste these fields. Sum of profit is greater than 0, or sum of profit is less than 0. Okay, and we will end this calculation. So now the calculation is valid. So I will explain again the calculation, that is case our parameter profit loss and all parameter. Then we will write our first case, that is like profit. When I select profit in the parameter, then it will shows the sum of profit is greater than 0, means positive profit. Then when I select loss, then it will show sum of profit is less than 0, like minus profit. And when I select all, it will shows me sum of profit is like in a plus values as well and minus value as well, means profit and loss. It will shows me both when I select all, and end this calculation. Click on the OK and drag this boolean. It will create boolean calculation. Drag this boolean calculation into filter shelf. Click on the true values and select OK. So now as you can see, it will shows me only the profit values, and when I click on loss, it will shows me only the loss values. Okay, so it will shows me only the loss values. And when I select all, so as you can see, it will select shows profit and loss as well. So this is the our scenario. When I click on the profit, it will shows me only the profit values. When I select on the loss button, it will shows me only the loss as per subcategory. And when I select all, it will shows me only the all values like profit and loss as well. So this is our fourth scenario of parameter. And the last scenario is dynamic measures. So suppose I have a subcategory and I have a sales. Okay, So when I select sales from the parameter, it will show me the sales. When I select profit, it will show me the subcategory wise profit. When I select discount, it will shows me this subcategory wise discount likewise. So I will make it into the one. So first we need to create one parameter, that is dynamic measures. Data type is string and create list. Okay, so our first is profit, then our second is sales, and then discount. Okay, so these are the our three measures, and click on the OK button and show the parameter. Okay, so our profit, when I select profit, it will show me the profit. When I select sales, it will shows me the sales, and when I select discount, it will shows me the discount. Okay, so for that you need to create one calculation again, dynamic measures, and we will write a case here. So case, our dynamic measure parameter, when profit, then we want to see profit, and when sales, then we want to see sales, and when discount, then we want to see discount, and end this case. Okay, so I will explain the case statement again. So in this case statement, we will select first our parameter dynamic measures, and we have written one calculation, that is when profit, then profit, when sales in the parameter, then sales in the visualization, and when discount in the parameter, then discount in the visualization, and end this calculation. Okay, so drag this calculation field into the rows button, and now as you can see, it will shows profit to us. Now when I select sales, it will show sales subcategory wise sales to us. Now when I select discount, it will show subcategory wise discount to us. Now we will easily find the blinders have the most highest discount rate. When I select profit, it will shows me the profit as per the subcategory. So these are the our top 5 frequently asked scenarios in the Tableau developer or data analyst interviews, or also business intelligence interviews. So that's it for this video. Thank you.